welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really quick, I think, but it's talking about this style right here. If you're interested, keep watching. So look, your girl done got some crochets, okay? This is something I've never ever done before, and I'm actually a little late hopping on the trend, but I'm here. So I had my reserves on getting crochets. I don't know, I didn't know how to do them for one, and then two, I wasn't sure on what I was going to look like with the crochets. So I really just didn't want to get them because I was nervous, like a lot of people. But I'm happy I have them. These crochets here, right here, was sent to me from Sam's Beauty. So these are called the Bobbi Boss New Locs, and the packaging looks something like this. If you're interested in them, it looks exactly like this, and it has these girls on the back. My light is just giving a glare. There we go. And these are 18 inches, and I have them in the color 1B. Now, let me just say, when I was searching a website, I wanted something that was going to give me the dread look. I see a lot of crochets, and they look like the spongy dreads. And I didn't want spongy dreads. I wanted, like, dread look. I've been having these locks for 5 years type thing. Like, something really real. And this was the only one that really, like, stuck out to me. So I had to have it. So this is how long these dreads are on me. Honestly, they're absolutely gorgeous. I love the length. I think they're perfect. I think the next time if I try dreads, I'm going to try, like, a shorter inch. I never paid attention to how long these were. They could have been 22 inches and I could have had them. I never really paid attention to the length. If anything, I just paid attention to the color. So I have a video on how I got these installed. I'm just going to kind of talk over that right quick while I show it. So I had a simple braid pattern. If you see, I just have cornrows going to the back. Now she did something different in the back. I think it's called like a interchange loop. I don't know. The reason why she braided it that way is so that my dreads could fall naturally. So if I decided to put my hair up, like a half up, half down, it wouldn't show the cornrows because the way it's braided, the dreads will fall and like naturally and be able to go up in like a V. I don't know, I can't really explain it, but I really did love the method that she used, and she explained it very well. Now I'm going to explain this because I didn't know how to do it myself and she knew how to do it. So what she basically did was open the crochet needle and she put the loop of the dread through the needle. Then she took that needle and put it under my braid, closed the latch, pulled it. She took the end of the crochet and put it through that loop and then like pulled the hair, and that was it. That's how she did it. Now the way that I'm explaining it, it may be a little easier just watching it. I think now I have the gist on how to do it. But that's simply what she did, and it was like really simple. Now I'm going to tell you this, it really hurt getting these crochets only in the front, and you guys will notice that in the video, like my edges, like my hair was already tender because I just took my wig off that day, so I had a whole lace front, got to be glued. I took braids out, I washed my hair, I blow dry, like it was super tender. So her just like doing the edges like really made everything hurt. Back to the dreads. Let me just review these dreads right quick because this is my first time getting crochet locks. I didn't know what to expect and what to look for. So she has been wearing crochet locks for the longest time. And she actually gave me some on the spot, like pointers where she didn't like red flags already. So the thing that she said that she really didn't like about these crochets is that the loop was entirely too small. Not too small, but they were a bit small. You really kind of like had to pull for the loop. Another thing that she noticed with that was that the crochet has like some straight pieces on it, and it shouldn't be straight pieces. Now you guys probably won't be able to see right here. I'll like come up so that you guys can see these straight pieces, but she said that the crochet lock shouldn't have any straight pieces on it, and it did have those. The last thing that she said about this hair was that it was really snaggy, and it is super snaggy, and I didn't know if crochets was supposed to be like that or not. Let me show you how my hair snags. You hear it? So my hair definitely snags, like it really does. If I bend down to give somebody a kiss, for sure their ring or something is gonna their earring is gonna get stuck in my hair, a piece of their clothing. It's actually highly embarrassing to me. I don't like that, but I'm not sure if crochets were supposed to be like that. But, you know, I really love that I look like a natural born, I don't know the term for it, Locknista or something, but a lady with locks. Like, I look like that. The hair gives me that. The way she did my hairline, like, it gives the perfect illusion. It's so pretty. I love the style of dread. I think, like, this crinkly type look. It's, like, really uniform, and it looks gorgeous. I just hate that it's super snaggy. And this is the straight pieces that I'm talking about. I think you guys can kind of like see that. You see how it's a whole straight piece. Like, why is it a straight piece? But other than that, I think it's amazing. I think Sam Beauty, they have a wide selection too. So I would just say go visit the website for sure. It's an online beauty supply store. Like, it's really lit. I said this video wasn't going to be too long, and look, I'm just arriving. Anyways, this is my new style that I have going on, and I just wanted to come and review it one little time for you guys. Just to bring some light to the brand, not the brand, but the actual lock style. You guys have heard of Sam's Beauty before. I totally advocate for them. Their shipping is good and their prices are really good. So if you're not interested in this hair in itself, go shop the website. Like, you will find what you need. It's literally an online beauty store. Like, Sam's Beauty is really lit. Anyways, I hope that you guys is enjoying my new style, my new do, all that good stuff. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you had crochet braids before, and let me know the brand that I should try, and I'll go ahead and look into it. I'm NeneTanae to all my new subbies. Hey boos. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye y'all.